What's up? My name is B and I'm super excited to bring you a new optic. This AR platform has been incredibly fun and it is fairly basic as far as they go because you can get pretty expensive and I try and do things affordably. So for the last couple years, I've been rocking this Vortex Crossfire 2. It's 1 to 4 LPVO. It's been super duper amazing, but the only limitation is obviously as soon as dusk hits, you've got nothing. So you can't really do those really fun varmint hunts. However, now entering the new toy, we've got the Pulsar Thermion XQ38, and this thing was super duper cheap. Let me tell you how. So I picked this thing up for less than half of MSRP through Palmetto State Armory because it is a factory reconditioned, refurbished, whatever cool technical nomenclature they use, but it's basically a rebuilt thermal optic, and I couldn't be more excited because it had all the features that I need and in a price point that I absolutely wanted. I think this thing on the website was sitting at like $1,200 and it retails at $3,300. So super cool to get something such high quality and quite an expensive optic for a really affordable price, because now, and you guys should be excited as well, by the way, because now I get to take you on adventures with me as we record those super, super fun thermal hunts. And not only the hunting part of it, but it's cool to watch all of those animals at night, see all those warm bodies and kind of see what's out there at night. So we're gonna go a ton of places and it's gonna be super sick to put these videos on the channel, and I hope that you guys are excited, or at least as excited as I am.